Now it's time for section 3. You may notice here that we have a kind of a table and there are missing words. Before dealing with a table, you have to notice what kind of information he supplies us with. You may notice here two names, Tim and Jane. So what happens to Tim is going to happen to Jane. Be careful, you will use only 1, 2 or 3 words maximum. Now, day of arrival. For Tim it's Sunday. So you expect another day for Jane. So write here the word day. You will listen to a day. When you listen to it, you are going to write it here. Subject. For Tim it's history. So you expect another subject for Jane. But be careful. She may make you get confused. She will say, I like physics. No, biology. Of course you will choose the word physics. Now, be careful and listen to her last choice. Number of books. It's missing for Tim and it's missing for Jane. So you write here number and for Jane another number. So you expect to listen to two numbers, one for Tim and the other for Jane. The last day of first lecture. For Tim it's Tuesday. So you could expect a date for Jane the same. Be careful. She may say the day before. Don't write the day before, although there are 3 words, because he mentioned here the date Tuesday. So the day before is Monday and the day after is Wednesday, of course. Now we will move to questions 26 till 30. Try to select the keywords. What is Jane's study strategy in lecture? Please underline Jane's study strategy. You could expect different answers. You could expect reading, recording, writing. Some girls follow different ways of studying. So you may listen to reading, recording or writing. Try to choose the right one. Number 27. What is Tim's study strategy? You will listen to a word, a missing word, and then you say books. Try to expect what's going to be mentioned before books. Number 28 was the subjects of Tim's first lecture. Underline Tim's first lecture. What is the subject of his first lecture? Number 29. What is the title of Tim's first essay? And number 30 is the last one. What is the subject of Jane's first essay? You underline Jane's first essay. And this is the end of section 3. We will move now to the last section, which is section 4. In section 4, you will find also a table. As I advised you before, to read well the given information. He gives here course, types of courses, duration and level, it means the time of this course, entry requirements, what are the requirements needed to join this course. Sometimes there are no requirements. so pay attention. He will mention here 5 different courses. The first one, physical fitness instructor, sports administrators. Now here 31, he asks for the time of the course and if there are entry requirements or not. Even if he mentions no previous requirements, don't write no previous requirements, although there are 3 words, because in the example he mentioned the word none. So you will write none. Okay, and instead of saying no previous qualification or requirements, you will mention only the word none. Number C, sports psychologist. He asks here for the time of the course, the duration of time. Physical education teachers. He asks if there are entry requirements or not. And the last course is recreation officer. Recreation officer is the one who is responsible of arranging vacations, arranging journeys. And here he asks for the time of the course or the duration of the course. The last part of section 4 is the job and the main role. Here he mentions the 5 jobs and he asks you to choose 5 main roles for the 5 courses among 7 choices. So he offers here 7 choices. You are going to mention only 5. You will select only 5. Don't write the word, just write A or B or C. I will mention here the main roles. Number A is the coaching of teams. Number B, the support of elite athletes, the best athletes. Number C, guiding of ordinary individuals. Number D, community health. He cares about the health of the community. The treatment of injuries, of wounds. Number F, arranging matches and venues, which means sport events. Number G, and the last choice, the rounded development of children. Pay attention, you are going to mention only 5 choices. Thank you, and this is the end of the section 4, and this is the end of sample 1. Thank you for listening.